just decided to continue describing the Seele project, about its ICO and the future directions. But first of all, I'll remind you what this project means and what its purpose is. According to what the programmers say, the main idea is to create a united and multi-purpose cryptographic ecosystem. Also, the server uses the neural consensus, which means that there is high-performance parallelism between large nodes. Plus, the programmers took the innovative blockchain 4.0 technology as a basis. The progress moves onward very quickly. Before we had the Bitcoin, which was called blockchain 1.0 afterwards. Then the Ethereum appeared. It's now also known as blockchain 2.0. Eventually we got the inaccessible blockchain 3.0, which consisted of IOC and Definity. Let's take a closer look on the new site. What is Seele? A revolutionary framework which is able to advance the blockchain industry to a totally new level. We'll probably forget about those services and projects that we had before, because Seele is going to give us much better performance. Being based on the heterogeneous blockchains, the framework resources will get protected from hacking attacks. Also, the service will provide the cross-chain access, which allows to spend less time and resources on passing data. Sounds good, doesn't it? What problems can Seele solve? The main problem related with blockchain frameworks is overloading. Sometimes the net can't handle such a huge number of nodes, and on its turn, nodes influence the consensus. This causes an impossibility to set the connection between several huge firms on the framework. Heterogeneous blockchain can solve this problem, providing the optimization of spent resources. That's why Seele is the #1 among blockchain frameworks, which is able to advance binding and firm relations to the new level. ICO terms: token per sale period, not established. Framework: Ethereum. Token's name: Seele. Type: ERC20. Total amount: 1 billion. 48% from the total amount to be sold. Can be used ATH. 1 token price $0.0324. Soft cap 30,000 ATH. Hard cap 50,000 ATH. According to the programmer's reports, there is a reward for help in advancing the project and the opportunity to pay fees with Seele. This bonus is also to accelerate the token's sales growth. Tokens allocation: investors 48.25%, airdrop 1.75%, project founders 7%, investors 3%, creation of the ecosystem 10%, reward for support 30%. The work is to be done on the Ethereum framework, and the blockchain 4.0 technology allows to quicken its performance. Currently, analysts predict the growth of Seele as coins, because setting the framework demands lots of tokens. Authorized users will be able to use the coin as a settlement system. That's why the fast growth of this cryptocurrency is coming soon. The more large firms want to become a node, the more tokens they need, so the price is going to increase exponentially. Trading and transactions are available on different exchanges. The most popular are IDEX, Heartbeat, and DDXC. As Seele is an innovating project to set the connection between large firms, the firms themselves are going to advance the framework to the first place. Then ordinary users are expected to join the system, and they're also going to advance the cryptocurrency. Conclusion: my opinion about this project is that it's doomed to succeed. The immensity of the framework does not have any competitors at the moment. Innovating technologies and experienced team will advance Seele to the new level among similar sites. Plus, tokens are already on sale on some services and exchanges. That's why it's worth mentioning and buying right now. From my opinion, blockchain 4.0 is the future. Projects which were representatives of their technologies had got much more expensive comparing with its initial cost. Bitcoin, blockchain 1.0 representative. Ethereum, blockchain 2.0 representative. IOC, Blockchain 3.0 representative. This is why the credibility of Seele growth so high during the year. I would recommend to look into the project more carefully.